What?
Oh my god. Hello. All the animals are trying to get at you. Stop! Stop! What are we doing today?
Cutting my luscious hair. Fucking gross.
What are we gonna do? Bald fade?
Yep. Get short on the top. Get rid of this fucking gross. Just look at it.
Alright, you ready?
No.
Okay. Move your head around. Sit up straight.
Okay, so hi guys. I'm going to go through how I like to do a bald fade. And I like to start with the clipper guard that is going to be at the highest point of the head right before the top. So I used a number 1 and I just went through the entire thing and just got rid of all the bulk, all the nonsense, everything that needed to go. Go in with our 0 and actually start the bald of the bald fade. And don't be afraid to go up higher than you think is right. I used to be terrified and now it's like, you know what? Yep, I'll make your head bald. Why not? Now we're going in with our half, so you just move that lever down just a little bit and blend through the 0 and the 1 because you don't want there to be a line. It looks hideous. Just blend until it's completely gone. Go in a few different ways. So I go in diagonally and then I'll go in like the normal way. I don't even know how to describe it. You just do it. The worst part about being a hairstylist is that. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with clipper over comb, another blending technique. Make sure you brush the hair out, no knots, no nonsense. And then just give her. Go in, find everything, go at an angle so that you can see where the number 1 ends and where his actual hair starts. Another great trick too is if you know you're going to be cutting a lot off the top, if you blend out like higher than what you normally would, you can get rid of so much of the bulk, and then it's like the top is almost halfway done for you. It makes your life a lot easier. With my number 1 and just making sure there's a seamless transition. And of course, if you're going back in with your number 1, you need to go back in with your half as well, because the higher you take the 1, the higher your actual fade is going to be. So just keep her going. Okay, yes, I use an excessive amount of water, but it's important because if the hair is not actually saturated enough, it will be a nightmare to cut, especially his hair because it is so thick. His hair, I like to brush it all forward, and then you can pull the hair up in the front, and then find how much you want to take off. You snip it, and then you bring it all back through the middle, and you can find your point from the front of the hair, kind of, you know, like in a dinosaur tail way. And that will give you your points for the rest of the top. So once you've completed that, then you can pull everything forward and you'll see where the shorter pieces of hair are. Connect it all, and it's pretty straightforward.
Hey! What are you doing here?
Hey, you guys are filming, right?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Oh, looking fresh, bud.
Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
Well, I just got off work. I literally just took a left turn.
You just got off work?
I mean, just fast a bit. Holy fuck. Are you serious?
It was Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, win a couple
We took Ella
grand.
out for dinner and then they went to the casino.
You see that, guys? That's how they get you. The casino. Oh, yeah. That's the beauty shot right there. Where's all the honeys at?
Ew, babe.
Oh, Nick Signal, ready to go. You're high. Coil breeze.
Doesn't make sense if it says
It
fuck
says something about
breeze.
spray, and then it
Cause
says
I'm a
full
spray and just like full breeze.
Nah, it's so fucking.
Play it.
Spray him just like
Full breeze.
No, it's breeze.
What we're doing now is scissor over comb. It's just another blending technique, and it doesn't make it look so harsh as the clipper over comb does.
You see how my hair is right now? You see how it's kind of like down here?
Yeah.
Is there any way like, cause I want to like, one second.
Not without product.
I want to like be able to put it up, but you see how it gets like that? See how there's like that triangle?
Yeah.
Is there any way to get it just like so I can put it up and it's just like flat instead of this fucking triangle?
You know, that's just how your hair grows.
Camera's gonna die. 3, 2, 1.
Seems off, please.
What do you think?
See what I mean? Like I hate how it comes down.
I know.
I like it so far. I didn't see the back though.
Okay, so hi. Obviously, as you can tell from the last clip that I have in the video, that my camera died. So I grabbed my phone just to get the final image or the final whatever. Thank you guys for watching. And if you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a like. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah.